So good morning everyone. This video will just be like a little explanation of what the 5-day generative AI event is all about and how to take part in it. So as you know, we already created the event on our platform and we start sharing it. And today is the D day. The event is starting today. And I think I already sent the link to this particular website, Kaggle, because we are going to use Kaggle and the code labs are on Kaggle, so you will need to have a Kaggle account. So we just resend this link, and when you click on the link, normally you should be directed to this page. On this page now, you can choose to sign in if you already have an account, or just register. If you choose to register, I think you will be able to register with your email or with Google. So I already have an account. I will register with Google. I already have an account, a Kaggle account on this particular email. So here I'm already connected. What you need to know about this 5-day generative AI is that you are going to choose a topic each day. So they are given topic like day one is foundation models and prompt engineering. Each day we have a topic, and each day on that particular topic you have some assignments that you need to complete. For example, for day one, if you look at day one, which is foundation models and prompt engineering, if you try to scroll down, even before that day one, there are certain steps you need to complete, like to register on Kaggle, create your Kaggle account, learn how notebooks work, but we'll do it during our events, but you can also have a look at it. Make sure to add your phone number and to verify it. The second step will be to create a Google AI Studio account. This you don't need to think too much about it. You can log in with Google. So you just go on Google AI Studio. I will try to open it in another tab. Just go on Google AI Studio. Okay, it's loading. For me, I think I'm already connected. So I'm connected with Google, and you just need to connect with Google. And with this, you'll be able to get an API key. So if you look at here I have my models, library, gallery, API documentation, and here's the get API key button. So with this Google AI Studio, you'll be able to get an API key for Gemini. Now that you have your Google AI Studio account and you can get an or create an API key, the next step is to join your Discord server. This last step is not mandatory, but you can join it if you want to stay updated. Okay, now for day one, since day one is about foundation models and prompt engineering, what's going to happen is that on day one, there are certain assignments that you guys need to complete. The first assignment, for example, the first assignment is a podcast. So there's a summary podcast on this particular topic, which is foundation large language models. There's a podcast on YouTube that you can watch. There's the white paper that you should read. And for the prompt engineering part, there is also a summary podcast on YouTube. There is a white paper, there is a code lab, and there is an optional case study. And at last, there is a live stream YouTube recording. So your task is to make sure that at least you go through a certain percentage of this particular assignment. You don't need to complete everything. You understand that here you can be busy, can have other things you need also to do. So what you're asking is just try to complete at least a certain percentage of this assignment of this day one, such that in the evening when our speakers will be doing a summary of day one, you'll be able to understand better, and if you have questions, you'll be able to ask them and to learn more. And that is pretty much how the whole event will be how the whole event will be taking place. Same thing for day two. Day two is embedding and vector stores database. You also need to go through the assignments, and at the end of the day, we'll do a recap session of the two, a demo, and then you'll be able to ask your questions. Same thing for day three, day four, and day five. So just make sure to set up everything to go through the one. And today, at the end of today, one of our speakers, God Precious, will take you through a recap session with a little demo. Till then, take care.